Good evening, everyone. Welcome back with the puzzle page. Yes, the puzzle page in the Saturday newspaper of October the 21st, 2023. We have in this puzzle page 6 puzzles. Those puzzles are the 3 Star Sudoku, another 3 Star Sudoku, the Killer Sudoku. We have 2 binaries, 10 by 10. And the last puzzle is a tectonic, aka jigsaw Sudoku. 4 of these puzzles I will do tonight, in the evening. I will start with this one. Tomorrow we have, I've told you earlier, we have no extra puzzles for the Sunday. What I will do is I will do the rest of the puzzles of this puzzle page, but also the rest of the puzzles of the Friday edition. And in the evening, I will do the Samurai Sudoku. All right, this one, number 7309. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus, in additional, it will be a 2 stars puzzle, not a 3 stars. But I do not know. For a 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. And if it's a 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Question is it a 2 stars or is it a 3 stars puzzle? I don't know. We will see. So let's get started. All right. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about one in the last column? One in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the one should be there. 6 in this row. 6 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 9 in this column. 9 in the last column. So the column between. The only place left for the 9 should be there. Then, let me see. Well. Need a 9 here. We have a 7 in this row. 7 in the row below. So last row, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column. 7 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in this row. No 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. On the last column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see a 7 in the third row, no 7 there. 7 in the second row, no 7 there. So the only place left for the 7 I should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 7. 1. Then 5 in this row, last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5, okay. And 4 missing numbers in the first column. One of the missing numbers is 1 and the 5. Yeah, 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this big square. So no 1 and 5 in these 2 boxes. 1 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 1 in the first row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. Then the 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place left for the 1 should be down. 1. 1, okay. How about these two missing numbers in the first column for numbers? The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Need a 6 here. Need a 9 here. Come on. Need a 6 here. 1 7 1 7. Alright. 2 2. Need a 3 here. 3 and 8 here. Come on. 1 2 3 3 5 4 3 5 4 3. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 4 is missing, and a 5 is missing. 3 4 5 3 4 5 3 4 5. And look, we have a 4 and a 5 in this big square. So no 4 and a 5 in this box. 4 and a 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left should be the 3. Okay, we got you, the 3. So the 3 should be here also. The 1 should be here. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 6, 6. About the 5s. Come on. 5. Need a 5 here. Need a 5 there. 5, 5. Need a 5 here also. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5. Well, we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this column, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 in those 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here, could be there. 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. You see a 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. Need a 5 here. And I need a 5 here. Alright, need a 1 here, need a 1 there. How about 1, 2, 3. Need a 4. Alright. Need a 3 here. 3 there. Come on. 1, need a 1 here. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We have a 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes here. 1 in the last row, no 1 in that box. So the 1 in this big square could be here, could be there. 1 in this column, 1 in one of those 2 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 1 should be here or there. You see 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here. Okay, cannot continue with the 1 now. Need to wait. Well, then 3. Need a 3 here. Well. 3. Need a 2 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Need a 8 and need a 4. 8. 8, 4, and 8, 4, and a 3. 8 and 3. Yeah, I'm still thinking. 6 in this column. 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there, so the 6 could be here, could be there. Here should be the 5 and the 4. Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. Oh, need a 6 here. 6 in this column. 6 in the last column. So the column between the only 3 places left for the 6 will be here or there. You see a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 could be here, could be there. 7. Need a 9. Need a 2. 2. We have a 3 in this row, 3 in the third row. So the row between only 2 places left for 3. Could be here, could be there. Give me 2. 2 should be here. 4 missing numbers. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. Yeah, 2 in this row, no 2 in that box. So the 2 in this big square could be here, could be there. 2 should be in one of these 3 boxes. 7, 1, 6, 9, 3 and 8. Come on. 1, 9, 2, 7, 5. Stuck. 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 2. Could be here, could be there. 2. Nope. 2. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Okay. 2. About here then. There's 6 here. 5, 7, 1. I'm really stuck here. 4. Overlooked. 9 in the last row. 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9. Could be here, could be there. No 9 here. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in the first row. No 9 in these 2 boxes. So the 9 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So this box can be a 9 anymore. That box should be a 9. Alright. Okay. 5, 7, 2, 6. Other numbers should be the 4 and 8. 2, 6. Here should be 4 and 8. Well, in this column, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 6 in this column. Well, we have a 2 and a 6 in this big square, so no 2 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. 2 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair should be the 4 and 8. 4 and 8. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. 1 is missing, the 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 3 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes, elevated 1. We have 1 in this row, so no 1 there. 1 should be there. Then 2 numbers left. 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 8 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. You see a 3 in this column, so no 3 there. 3 supposed to be here. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the mark. 1, 2, 3, the 4 is missing. 4 and 8, we have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row. So the row between the only place left with 8 should be there. Alright, and now I marked those two boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 in this column, so this box can't be 2 anymore. That box should be 2. Alright. 2 and 6, okay, 4 and 8. 5 and the 4. I'm missing here, 5 and the 4. Okay, how about this box in this column? One box left in the middle column from 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 4 should be there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. So one box left in this big square from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing. Alright. 2 and 6. Then. How about the 4? 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. 8 goes there. 4 in this row. 4 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 4 should be there. So 1 digit left in this row for number. I believe the 5 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, this cannot be a 5 anymore. So 2 numbers left in this column for number. The 1. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in the middle row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 2 goes there. 1 box left in the third column for the 1, the 2 is missing. Need a 2 here, yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the second row, 2 in the third row. Only three places left for the 2 should be here, or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. Here, 2 in one of those two boxes. In the last column, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this column for the 1. The 2, 3 is missing. 3 and 6, I believe. Yeah. Here can be 3 because we have 3 here in the first row. So the 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the last column, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square from us, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8 is missing, 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there, 6 should be here, 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, and 8 is missing, 5 and 8, 5 and 8. We have a 5 in the second row, no 5 there, 5 should be here, 8 goes there. The 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. On that column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in the middle row for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8 is missing. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And the final number in this big square for number the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Finished in 18 minutes. Well, told you, should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. I've solved this in 18 minutes. Yeah, definitely at 2 stars, and I enjoy this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the killer Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.